What is going on, everybody? Here it is. You voted for it, so here it comes. Today is the first day of garage sales, finally, here in Wisconsin. So I'm gonna go hit some of these garage sales up and see if we can find things to flip on Amazon. But I'm also gonna be keeping my eye out for things that I can sell on eBay, Mercari, and Facebook as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's go see what kind of damage we can do today. Woo!
For the resellers of YouTube, our name is Out Country Sales. We pick, we flip. Our motto is not to fail. We pick, we flip. It's time to send out the mail. We got boxes stacked, totes to unpack. There ain't no time to relax.
Know what you'll find in free. That's a cool sunflower chair. A pre-owned 20, new 81, brand new pre-owned 44. That's not bad. Pre-owned $59.99. So I kept looking. This table had a bunch of puzzles on it, but didn't see anything that caught my attention. Came over here, looked at a few clothes items, looked at this Under Armour sweatshirt for my daughter, but ended up being the wrong size. More kids' clothes in here, but then I did spot these Nike shoes. I'm thinking I should have grabbed them for sure, not sure on the size, but they were $35. Hello.
Hi there.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. I will take that.
Okay. Are we on film?
Yes. You are. Yeah, I make videos and put them on YouTube. You're my first garage sale.
Ooh.
I got 2 5s.
Oh, perfect.
I got,
Thank you.
first garage sale so far of the season. So,
Oh, nice.
and we found some goodies.
Good. Well, thanks for calling.
Yes, thank you. All right, so that was a good first stop. I got this. The sun is totally blasting right now. If you couldn't see the comps, I'll put them up on the screen. They were going anywhere from like 25 to 50, and this is like in brand new condition. These cords, they haven't even been taken apart or nothing. So I'll be looking it over, making sure everything works, but got a good feeling about that. Should get about 50 bucks for it. Paid 10. How much for this?
I don't know. What do you want to pay for it?
$1?
Okay.
Okay.
I don't have a clue.
Works for me. There you go. Thank you. You too. Alright, electric fisherman replacement blade for Amazon. They sell from 13 to 20-ish. So we'll see where I can put it at. Only paid $1. I was gonna say 25 cents, but I figured I'd give her $1. Piece set for kids' bathroom. 5-piece bath set.
Did we ever get one?
This place had a ton of books, so I started going through all these. Books is not something I am very knowledgeable in, though. I did find a few. This bird book I found actually was selling for around 20 bucks, and it was in pretty great condition. I would say like new condition. So I should be able to get a good profit from that. It was only $1. What's this? Friction cars, huh? They get them on eBay. Here, I'll grab them. What else do we got? There's $1. Doesn't look like it's ever been used. So this corner had a ton of brand new stuff in it, not anything like super out of this world, gonna make a ton of profit on, but little things that I can make a few bucks here and there on. So I did start scanning everything, and it took quite a while. These people must have thought I was crazy, but I did actually find out that her son ended up being a reseller. So she probably had some kind of an idea what I was doing. But I was standing back in this corner probably for a good 20 minutes at least scanning stuff. There were other people trying to come by, and I was like, well, I'm just a little busy at the moment. And I just kept scanning. There's all sorts of nail salon stuff, kid stuff, adult stuff, Disney stuff. This little Bluetooth beanie hat, a Bluetooth beanie hat. I should have probably just grabbed it just because I'm just interested to see what it was. I couldn't find any comps on it though, so I did leave it behind. A couple watches here that were brand new for kids. I probably should have grabbed them for eBay. They didn't come up on Amazon though, so I did leave those behind. Same with that pillow. I'm thinking I probably could have sold that on eBay real easy. I did grab these poppets. They sell on Amazon between $8 and $10. They were $1 or $2, so I'll make a couple bucks on them. Then I found this little Hot Wheels set. It was pretty cool. I was thinking about maybe putting it in an auction. Another little Hot Wheel car. And then this bag of Barbie clothes. They were all brand new Barbie clothes. I still got to open it up and see what's all inside of there and how I'm going to sell it. But everything looked brand new inside there, and that was only, I believe, $1 as well. So it was a pretty good deal on those Barbie clothes. Should make some good money off of that. They want $4 for it.
Little, okay. So little's over here.
Stanley Rink is
Here's
really
the
good. They
swimsuits
go
are
up to
probably,
$14. Yeah.
bigger. So here's a lot of little kid stuff. Are you buying all this?
Yes.
Do you want me to get a box?
Sure, that would be great.
Okay.
Yes, I am.
This is the time. I think 4 would be fine. Oh, sure, you'll have all.
All right, let's
That's right.
see
No.
what I got here.
Yeah, we'll wait because the only one I have to keep track is my son's stuff, which gets,
Okay.
which is a lot of his is that new stuff there. So
Okay.
no big deal. The pages all took off and flew away.
Oh no.
Okay, so I'm just
right.
gonna write.
See if I can kind of separate the new stuff, maybe.
$4. Yeah, these are all his. Okay, and then this take this, and he sells the stuff online.
Yeah.
And then he has to take it off,
Right.
and then.
So he's got to know.
Oh yeah, he's got his
Yep.
system set up. Okay, so we got all these.
Yeah.
And then Star Wars. Are you gonna buy the Star Wars?
Yep.
Okay.
And then the Barbie stuff for $2.
Star Wars book. $2 Barbie. Which I'll just put out there. It'll be easier to write it down. Okay. And
And we
then
got
$4 was.
the scratch paper, $2 Hot Wheel. The Minion socks didn't have anything on them.
50 cents.
Okay. And then I think
And
those
then
were our books.
$1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so. And then a Hot Wheel for $2. Same with the Minions.
Two is the Minion.
Yep.
Minion.
And then
And
the salon dip. And then this one did not have a price on it.
Okay. I'll say $1.
Okay, and then
So I'll
$1
say
for that.
$2 for makeup.
Okay.
$32.50.
All right. Would you take 29?
Yeah.
Okay. Lots of good stuff here. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
You too.
All the resellers of YouTube. Our name is Out Country Sales. We pick, we flip. Our motto is not to fail. We pick, we flip. It's time to send out the mail. We got boxes stacked, totes to